Hi, my name's Ian.
I'm Antonia.
And this month we're part of a collaboration on the foods we like to prepare in our motorhome or camper or caravan, depending on what you've got. So if you'd like to see the other collaborators in this video, I'll put a link up here and I'll also put a link in the description. I'm sure you'll enjoy some of their ideas of what they like to prepare in their motorhomes. Right, now I'm not a cook. I have no idea on how to cook things really. I'm not a great eater either. But Antonia, as you can see, is not from the UK originally. She's from the Philippines, so she's going to give that extra little, let's say, little twist to the food. So anyhow, Antonia will be doing all the cooking, and she will show you what to do, and I'm just going to stay in the background and let's say I'm going to supervise.
Okay. What I'm cooking today is stir-fried noodles with prawns. Now, the key in cooking this menu is preparation. Everything must be prepared because noodles, when you cook them in high heat and quick. So you've got to have all the ingredients ready so when you start cooking. For the equipment or things I will use for cooking, I just got these two and a small wok. You can't bring a big wok here. And these are the bowls I need to get ready. Once they're all slices, they need to all be ready and put next to the stove. So when I start cooking, I just put everything. Right, so for the preparation, what we'll do, I'll start washing bean shoots. I wash the noodles because sometimes they're stuck together. By washing it, it's easier. So when you start putting it in the wok, it separates quickly. So it's done. Right, we'll start cooking now. Then on the gas on high heat and the wok. Then for olive oil, I normally just put like a dollop like that. If you want a little bit more, it's fine. Like another one. Okay. Give it a few seconds. You can tell when it's hot. You can see smoke. Start.
So what did you put in first?
That's the onion first.
And is that always the case? Does that make a difference?
It's always the onion, because when the onion is caramelized, you put the prawns. And you can put the prawns. Now, the prawns, when it's cooked, it turns orange, pinky orange, so you know that it's already cooked. And then, once it's cooked, I need to put them in the bowl first. Put them all in the bowl and just leave the onion. And then I'll start putting all the vegetables. Because if you leave the prawn, what's going to happen is it becomes rubbery and it's not very nice. Right, you can see that's cooked now. What I'll just get them quickly. Right, there you go. That's separate. Now we start putting the carrots. Okay, now I will put the beans next. And a little bit of this again.
That's just ordinary water.
Yeah, just plain water. Now if you want your vegetables to cook quickly, cover it. Maybe 1-2 minutes. Right. Okay, so we open that now and we can add the bean shoots.
So it looks to me we may have a few too many bean shoots in there, maybe.
It will be okay. And then I put these noodles, because that will settle down once I covered it.
Wow. Looks like you could feed 10 with that.
Okay. Continue mixing it. When you mix it so it doesn't overflow, just start in the middle. Then you can start putting soy sauce. Right. I normally just put just that. That's how you do it. Don't put too much in the beginning. Just enough. Get oyster sauce. Got the pepper. Okay. Then put a little bit of salt. There you go. Now this is the bit that you need to mix it quickly because they're gonna be cooked soon. You can put back your prawns. Now we will serve this. All you have to do is serve that. There you go. Just put as the topping. Bye! I hope you like it, and if you have any questions, just send us a message.
So we hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, maybe you could click the like button. If you've got any comments or questions, please leave them below.